This Dalton Wade Real Estate Group property video is presented by Christian Monasati. Beautiful and very comfortable open floor plan home located in the quiet, active, adult golf community of Ocala Palms Golf and Country Club. This country club home has well-maintained wood floors and a kitchen area equipped with stainless steel appliances, opening to the living and dining rooms, excellent for entertaining or just enjoying the company of friends and family while preparing good meals. This home has accessible features like the front door, master suite bathroom, and the screened porch. Also, this home has extra space which can be used as a family room, office, or den. The well-sized master suite has accessible bathroom shower, walk-in closet, and double sink vanity. The second and third bedrooms each have a double-wide closet and ceiling fan, share the second bathroom. This home also has a laundry area adjacent to the kitchen, equipped with washer, dryer, and shelving, and a spacious 2-car garage. The Ocala Palms Golf and Country Club 55-plus community encompasses an 18-hole golf course, clubhouse complex including outdoor lap pool, poolside jacuzzi and indoor heated pool, restaurant, tennis courts, bocce ball courts, fitness center, library, and billiards room. Nearby you will find a shopping center with supermarket, banking, restaurants, fast food, and numerous smaller shops. Ocala Palms is located in the heart of Ocala Horse Country, very close to the World Equestrian Center, WEC, and emergency medical facilities. Please call for more information or to schedule a showing appointment. For more information,